Promarai AI Professional Marketplace connects businesses with talented AI developers. Today, AI agents are the hot topic. For example, AI agents can reply to emails, compose letters, update clients, and streamline your business. Think using AI in your business is too expensive? Afraid AI is too complex? Just not sure where to start? Promarai AI is your solution. All you need is an idea, a time frame, and a budget. We make AI affordable and accessible to everyone. Promarai AI is a simple, effective communication tool for connecting clients who need AI solutions with developers. Developers that build your solution. Build it right, build it fast, and build it on your budget. As a client needing an AI solution, join completely free. Post your AI project ideas or requirements at no cost or obligation. Just tell the developers what you want, the time frame, and your budget. Developers see your requests, and only motivated developers interested in your project will respond directly to you. Your information is never sold outside of our registered developer community. Connect directly with the right developers to discuss and collaborate. Finalize a deal that works for you. All agreements and transactions happen directly between client and developer. No overhead, no commissions, saving the client and developer money. As a developer, sign up and browse available client jobs for free. To access detailed client contact information and respond to leads, developers pay as you go or can purchase discounted prepaid lead credits. Showcase your expertise, connect with clients, and earn. Getting started is easy for everyone. Simply visit promarai.com and click Get Started as a client or as a developer. Join the Promarai AI community now. Connect, communicate, and innovate with the awesome power of artificial intelligence. Promarai Technologies Marketplace makes artificial intelligence real, affordable, and accessible. Visit promarai.com now.